Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today's tech tip for you. If you have a machine that actually has the automatic overflow on it, so from an 800 base and up, these machines actually come with two regulators. So this is an 800 FL, so you have your main regulator here in the front of the machine, but there's a second regulator that's at the back of the machine. This regulator is actually what controls the automatic overflow. This is supposed to be preset here at the factory to 60 PSI. I say supposed to, it doesn't always happen. So when you're hooking your machine up and you're turning everything on, this regulator needs to be set at 60 PSI, which is what controls the automatic overflow. If that's not set up, your diaphragm pump's not gonna work, your closed loop system's not working, and your automatic overflow's not working. That's our tech tip for today. Thanks for watching.